to here's my leftover stash from the last, I'd say, like 2-3 years, mainly last year though, because just started getting into the 1.4G fireworks, like the cakes, the canisters, all the good stuff last year, and I'm getting pretty pumped. I actually ordered a firing system also, but I need some help from you seasoned pyros. Any suggestions how I should do my show or what I shouldn't do? Just let me know. This one got a bunch of bang stamps for the kids. Can always have fun with those. This I'll show you. And these is what I was talking about, the echo in the ear plastic tops. I see that they're new. I'm trying to find the echo in the ear, just the regular tops, just to do a comparison. Gotta find them first. This one, I actually took the label off. I thought it was a nice label, so I kept that. Walking Dead 19 shot black hat. Some more echo in the ear. Yeah, watch out for that staple. Excaliburs, Exterminator. Got some more of those. These ones, I'm not sure what these ones are. Actually got them from a buddy. He said he didn't know what they were called either. If you know what these ones were, or from what pack, let me know. I'm not sure if I really want to light these ones off yet, but those are some. Yeah, this year's gonna be my first year actually doing a show for my uncle. Right now we're trying to get the permit to go shoot at his house, just so invite all the family and friends, have a good time. This would be my first show, so I'm super excited. This big, got some just old bottle rockets, Dixie Dynamite, little dynamite, the little water dynamite everyone knows. Got not sure if this is a brick or a half brick. I don't really buy firecrackers, but bought this one with the 2 shells that my buddy got for me. He obviously didn't have a use for them, so I'll take it. Down there, Saturn missile. Pricey. This one and this big, we got glow snakes, sorted glow snakes. Kids will have fun with those. This one is one I put together. It's I think it's called Blue Stars, and then the bigger tubes is actually Texas Stampede.
What are you doing?
I showed the fireworks. And this one are my ball shells. Got a bunch in there. Those are my single, double. Here, got a little more canisters and Saturn missile. I forgot to show you in the other bag. Here's my firing system. Batteries for it, 823. I got a homemade wired right now for an extension, see if it works. Right now I'll hook that up to a Christmas light just to check to see if the connection works. But like I say, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know how I should set this up. Thanks.